Hi friends. How are you? This is Shakti. From Shakti Parrot Beak Tempere Tail ASEEL Farm. Please watch full video and subscribe my channel. Put your comments. In this video, I am going to show one of our tallest and beautiful show quality parrot beak tempere tail breeding female. This female bird from one of the popular parrot beak tempere tail breeder in Tamilnadu. I like to participate in parrot beak tempere tail ASEEL exhibitions. That is why we bought this hen from that top breeder. Because this female's father was champion of champion in all parrot beak tempere tail ASEEL exhibitions at 2019. Now for this female bird 22 months old. Black color. 4.5 kilogram weight. 25 inches tall. Above 50 tail counts. 3-time hatching completed. Each time 6 to 8 chick we got. Now it is ready for breeding again. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget for subscribe my channel and press bell icon.